In this video we'll have a look at the new background remover from PowerPoint because it's actually quite powerful. So if you now add an image to the slide, let's say this one, and we want to remove the background, well, what we can do, you can already see it here. In the picture format you have edit picture and erase. You can also get there to the right click and edit picture. And this now opens up an entirely new window with a lot more features than we would used to have. And the best one is this remove background, and you can actually choose remove. You can also give it a color fill. Let's just work on the removal, and this is now using AI to remove the background. You see it's a lot cleaner than what it used to be with the other one where you had to sort of select all the things. If you now see, the background has been entirely removed with a clean, perfect cut. And if we now add a nice shape behind the object like this, well, we can see we can actually create some really cool slides with some very nice looking background removals. And you see even in this detail here with the arm, it goes right through. So that is pretty neat. By the way, if you're looking for a professionally designed slide deck with hundreds of demo slides and a solid slide master that contains all of the different layouts that you need, and you can just pick and choose from. And one of the best parts is that you can change it to light mode in one simple click. All of the hundreds of slides. You can change it to like an entire dark mode, or you can go for someone in between. You can also change the colors in one simple click, so that is no problem at all. You can just customize it to have it perfectly match your brand. So if you're looking for those professional PowerPoint templates, you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.